Here is a video for the keypad. This keypad has a password and 4 channels. Firstly, we need to enter the password and then choose the channels. The 4 here means the first channel of our control board. The first channel means it can open 2 gates together. And the 3 is the second channel. Second channel means open the pedestrian gate, open the first gate. Now we will do it, show you. 8, 8, 8, 8 here, and then press this small button here and press any button on the keypad. Okay, see flash and over. This one is compiled. If we want to use this keypad, we need to 8, 8, 8, 8 here and press 4. That means channel 1. 2 gates open. Okay. Now I will show you to open first gate, pedestrian gate. 8, 8, 8, 8. And press 3. Channel 2. Open 1 gate. Only open 1 gate. First gate. It's open. And stop.